Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right now. Open Settings, tap Focus, then create or choose a focus profile. Select Allowed People and Apps so important alerts still get through. This prevents missing urgent calls while silencing noise. Once done, pick whether your lock screen dims and which home pages show. These choices reduce visual clutter. Make sure to enable Smart Activation or add a schedule so focus turns on automatically at the right times, saving you from manual toggles and keeping your workflow consistent. Now refine how focus behaves. Edit home screen and lock screen settings to hide distracting pages and grab attention only when needed. Use focus filters to limit mail, messages, Safari tabs, and calendar views. This targets interruptions at the app level so you stay on task without losing essential context. Once set, enable share across devices so your iPad and Mac mirror the same focus. This keeps a single workflow across devices. If you need, add home or automation triggers later for hands-free control. Finish by activating focus from Control Center and test it. Send a message or call from an allowed contact and from a blocked one to confirm behavior. Use emergency bypass for a few essentials if you cannot risk missing specific alerts. This overrides silencing for chosen contacts. If focus doesn't apply, make sure share across devices is on, check each app's notification permissions, and confirm your schedule or smart activation criteria match the current time and location. These fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.